Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is RAZAK and my metric number is 054937, and we are from computer science software development, and today we are gonna present our project, which is the breast cancer dataset using the artificial neural network. Moving on to the introduction. Cancer can be detected earlier with the process of cancer screening. When discussing about breast cancer, the main goal of screening is to make diagnose and gain all of the information, which is the important information. The information that are needed are the size of the tumor and which breast has the tumor inside it. All of these information are very crucial in order to detect the breast cancer sooner, even before the patient have the symptom. The algorithm that are suitable for detecting breast cancer is the artificial neural network, as is one of the most effective method to analyze real-world situation. Next one. Moving on to the problem statement. So, breast cancer is one of the major reasons of death among women in the world. It's caused by the mutation of breast cell, which is usually starts within the lobule, which is the milk-producing glands in the breast. After that, the cancer cells will invade the breast tissue and eventually spreading into the lymph node. And lymph node is very important as it prevents the foreign substances into the body.
Thank you, Redzuan. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad AMLEE bin ABDULLAH, metric number 054913. Okay, for the objective, we have 3 over here. The first one is to predict the symptoms of breast cancer patients. Second one is to determine which algorithm have the highest accuracy, and the third one is to determine potential of each algorithm. And then for our methodology, we have 3. The first one is artificial neural network, specifically J48. In J48, we use the classifier, and the algorithm will reduce the randomness from the target variable brought onto the data set result for each split. The major advantages of the J48 is the algorithm is very low in cost and have very low of computing effort. J48 also have a robust data management, and because of this, the data redundancies can be avoided. Next, I will pass on to BADRUDDIN.
Thank you, Muhammad AMLEE. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is BADRUDDIN bin KANG and my metric number is 056537. I would like to present the second method, which is naive Bayes. Okay, so naive Bayes is considered as one of the simplest method. It is fast and reliable algorithm when discussing machine learning. Naive Bayes' most suitable use case is when processing the natural language problems. Using the Bayes theorem, it will calculate the conditional probabilities, which is the range of the probabilities for occurring events. So the third method is multi-layer perceptron. So multi-layer perceptron is an add-on for the feed-forward of the neural network. There are 3 layers in multi-layer perceptron, which is input layer, output layer, and also the hidden layer. Input usually retrieve the input signal. Output layers usually are the place where the prediction and classification process occur, and while hidden layer is located between input and output layer, and hidden layer is the computational engine of the multi-layer perceptron. Thank you. I would like to pass to my friend Arif.
Okay, my name Muhammad SHAFWAN bin YASSIN. My metric number 055626. For my part, I will present about result of the project. So in here, we display 3 types of algorithm result. For the first algorithm is J48. The second one is naive Bayes, and the last one multi-layer perceptron. As you can see, after we all used all the algorithm, we believe that J48 is the best algorithm that predict the breast cancer symptoms, as it have the highest and the best time to build the model compared to the other classifier or algorithm. So for the next one, I will pass to my friend.
Assalamualaikum. My name is QAYYUM bin RASHID. My metric number is 055662. Now I will continue about the result. First, the image above show the summarize the breast cancer data. The total of class for the dataset are shown in the figure. The recurrent event has the highest number, which is 85 different at the no recurrence event that only 29 in total. For the age average, the suffer breast cancer are in between of the age 40 to 59 years old. There we can see the next bar graph with a menopause is a visual the high number of the patient that have the menopause. The common breast cancer case record in the left breast as shown in the figure. Lastly, the average of tumor size in the between the size of 30 to 34. Okay, next. Okay, as a conclusion, the best method that suitable that can we be fully utilized for the mode of breast cancer data set in the by conduction research and at the same time constructing the model with WECA, where the different type of classifier come with the different inaccuracy of the prediction model. The most recommended approach the evaluate breast cancer using tool for data mining. Finally, the J48 are the best technique compared to the Naive Bayes and the multi-layer perceptron technique. That's all for us. Thank you.